hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. Today we're installing a tucked radiator on this K-Swap EK. If you couldn't tell by that first clip that you guys saw just a few minutes ago before the intro, that was the exhaust that we did in the last video. A lot of you guys were asking what that sounded like, so we wanted to make sure we made a clip for you. So I hope you guys liked it. If you're planning on putting a MagnaFlow in your car, go for it. Or Dynomax, that's what it is. That Dynomax, that thing sounded so good. So if you want one, go ahead and put it. That's what it'll probably sound like. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. We got, obviously, as you can see, a SPEEDFACTORY tucked radiator. We got the fans for it, and then we got the 6AN fittings.
That's not fans, brother. That's not a regular fans, brother.
Dude,
that's ball fans.
Yes, what it says.
Fans,
electric cooling fan.
That's not a regular $20 fan. You're talking about my fan like that, brother.
Anyways.
Yes, that's a complete SPEEDFACTORY setup. It came with hoses, small fittings. It's like 4 AN, I think.
Yeah, right. It's
16 AN. 16 AN
big boy.
hose. So I got the owner by this already with the 16 fitting on it. So we don't have to weld nothing. Everything's gonna look better.
Nice.
It's gonna be an easy install.
Yeah, literally it already has factory, use the factory bolts, right?
Yeah. I already made the holes here. Just making sure where it goes. So yes.
Making it center.
That's it.
Alright, let's go ahead and get her on.
We wanna start here, removing the old housing, the upper one. So I wanna make sure I don't have enough holes here. I don't know.
Bro,
I wanna make sure this fits
more
perfect.
than enough.
I don't know.
More than enough.
They know more than me.
Yeah, right.
They know more than me if they send this already cut, you know?
Well, they wanted to make sure you had more than enough in case you messed it up. Alright?
Yeah, that's it. Let's see how this thing goes.
Sweet, it is on. Now, looking at this one, because this is the K-Tune one, and if you guys remember a long time ago, I put one of these on my K24, and it was the eBay one, and it looks way different. I thought it was like exactly the same, but you can see the finish on it looks a lot different. I mean, it'll serve the same purpose, and it would probably fail the same amount as the eBay one, but it definitely looks a lot cleaner, not gonna lie. So I would probably buy this one instead of the eBay one, just for looks, if you're going for aesthetics. If you're just trying to be on the cheaper side, definitely the eBay one. But anyways, let's want to go ahead and put the fans on?
Yes.
Yeah, let's put the fans on first.
Yes, sir.
So these aren't fans, you say?
Yes, they are fans. But not regular ones, brother.
They look so like compact. This is way better than like your normal eBay one.
bro, don't talk to my fan like that again.
It's kind of heavy, actually.
This is what
They're
you
usually,
need.
dude, they're usually super light, but this is kind of heavy.
Because this is a real one.
A real motor.
This is a real completely unit. This is a unit.
Dude, this actually looks really good. High performance.
Spal.
I think it's Spal.
Spal.
SPAL would be Spal, I'm pretty sure.
Right here.
Clean.
I love the way this car is coming out.
Dude, check out those welds, bro.
Thank you, man.
Dude, one day yours will be there for sure.
I thought you were recording this.
Clean.
Thank you.
Dude, that looks like a machine did it.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting better. This is part actually of the
It's actually made
radiator.
into the radiator. Like the shroud cover.
It's
Well, it's not a
not.
shroud. Yeah, it is, I guess.
Yeah, but
I guess it would be considered the shroud, but it is not like.
It's just one unit.
Yep, it's welded on. And then having this closed in keeps the cold air in, or cooler air that's coming in sucked through these fans. Helps it bypass or get evenly distributed through the radiator.
You say it right.
I was about to say evaporator, doing air conditioning every
You say
day.
it right. Radiator.
All right, before we go ahead and mount it, we're going to go ahead and replace the thermostat housing with the metal one. It's a lot easier to do before we mount it because obviously it's going to go right here. Looking clean.
That should be nice, huh? I'm gonna leave it loose here so I can find the perfect way to run the hoses and fit in. Because I don't know why this guy from SPEEDFACTORY, they sent 345 degrees and 190. I know.
There's got to be a reason.
Yeah, they do it for something. That's why they send that piece of hose.
Well, maybe it's different applications or something. Maybe for different chassis you have to use.
I already have it here. Let's make it happen.
Nice. Dude, that looks so nice. That's worth it. It's worth $500, right? That's what it costs.
800.
800. Ay, oh man.
Ay, Dios mío.
That's a lot of money, but it looks nice. Man, I would sit here and look at it for like a day, at least, to feel like I got my money's worth.
It's gonna look nice.
It will.
I mean, it's a Tokyo one, so you're not really gonna see it.
Not at all. But it gives you a lot of room in the engine bay. It makes the engine bay look way, way, way better.
So let's see how we run that hose.
Alright, yeah, let's run them lines. Alright, so Brian just went ahead and put the fittings on. That way we see how much we need to cut.
I mean, they do everything for a reason. I'm sorry for that.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
It's not going to need much at all.
No. In the bottom either. So.
Yeah, they definitely gave you enough
this
so
one-
if you mess up.
And this one is like a swivel, so I mean, work beautiful. So you can like play with it and play with the 45 too. So
Oh yeah.
let's make it happen.
Yo, this looks so fire. I love this intake. I love it all K-tuned. He even got the K-tuned breather. Super sick. Definitely the cleanest K-swap that has come in here thus far.
Plus, you're gonna have AC.
What?
That's gonna be the next video.
Sweet. Yeah, no, I saw the lines sitting in the office.
Thank you.
So we're gonna make a video with the hybrid racing, right?
Yep.
Hybrid racing AC conversion kit or hoses you need so you can run the compressor from the K series and the fittings and everything to make it fit. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna show you guys one last time. Do a full walk around. Yeah. So clean.
You like it?
I love it. I love it. Looks so good. Just look at it. Just look at it. But anyways, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.